Classroom management. What is classroom management? Classroom management is ensuring that classroom lessons are ran smoothly and safely with rules and procedures set in place. Just like in any other classroom, PE teachers have expectations for their students. You want to establish these expectations in the beginning and let your students know to use respect, be respectful to their peers, and be respectful to the equipment that they are using. You want to let them know to be responsible for their own actions and let them know it's okay to ask for help whenever that it is needed. Preaching safety is very important. Stay in the area you're instructed in and always let them know to keep their hands to themselves and doing the little things. You want to let all your students know that you care by learning all of their student names and presenting yourself to them as a real person. You can get involved with these kids during the activities, provide positive feedback with them, and show them that you care for all of them individually by doing small things, just such as playing music for them that they like, playing games with them, and doing activities that they like as well. You want to create a positive environment and climate for the students. Make sure that they have the correct equipment and to make sure it's all safe to use by doing a daily checkup on it before and after. It's always good to have it placed out and ready for your class to use for them. Also have adapt equipment to fit the needs of the learner. Always make sure that you're promoting fair play and respect. Teaching leadership and responsibilities. You can give students responsibilities such as letting them hold a timer, picking a leader for cleanup at the end of each day of class, and do other small things to teach leadership and responsibilities.